Now we have a 2013 YCM TC-26 with a YCM FANUC TXP 100 FA control, 10-inch chuck, tailstock and chip conveyor. We're in low range right now, 2-speed gearbox.
100?
That's 100. That's 200. That's 350 and low. Switching over to high. That's 450. That's 1,000. That's 1,500. That's 2,000. We've got a tow-along tailstock. X and Z are nice and quiet. Index in the turret. Tool holders mounted go with the machine. Tailstock QUILL operational. All right. This machine can be inspected under power in Harrison, New Jersey. Thanks for watching.